4609 48th Avenue South. Camera inspection from side sewer right in front of you. I haven't gone into the water yet, but you can kind of see right there the offset, severe offset out in the corner on the northwest corner of the house. As we go in, it just goes in and kind of just drops in there and hits up against it. Unable to get past there, obviously. It looks like the downstream side is SDR 35 pipe, and we are currently sitting in HDPE pipe. So I'm going to pull back from here and record as we go. This whole stretch back here is HDPE. There's one of the seams from the weld. That offset was located 2 feet deep on that northwest corner of the house. PVC here, coming up into cast iron here in a second. Alright, we're in cast now inside the foundation. And there's our access point. I'm going to end the recording there.